thing that can destroy our future. Ado badal ka singan boto na uda nakena tasoba mai na wai ka babuna no wai bata na bunor tuken dona ka musimus when we see that people
dasara chukuna yala ber non rabi rambula nesa tasoro mai nam duka na kau na batu na tamani batu lelebu o sa gingi somutu ani kuita ka somutu mai na wai ana bugri pika mai ado berna ka de Nepal na misara chukuna ngonongo na pakadalaka be irra sama ikadi bitu non rambula na kendre reira na tasalo lamandina esa tiro nda kagani masu ni na masu kirti ko na stop tu rende na kata be Nepal ana mata kadi vinga rabdi ko mata kadi pakata bising ko ana brak to the drivers and the passengers on their way to work this morning kita sabi kita begitu kini we hope that you will have a fruitful day we'll find ourselves deep in the trenches today and we don't do yan na kata kina o sital gabi kibno kata ba na koro do tete intong goli watakin na susuman man
to all the kids as well since it's the first week of holiday for them and the revitiko also to gonna be health centers and ngonongo and buku ni flu makatalakin na bayir na ngonelalay lua talitik nga so ezokatiko and buku ni raki bibisaw and dono makatiko parents very important na nonrangarabi nakatiko na lubenta nonranggara unitiko and be kakanar kania makatalakin na nonrangolitiko itu mata gitu kera ni bang unatok nga ser maru ito nga naloma ni bale rendreng gitu to nga loma ni bale rasarele alo son na kamera bang irtu kina merka kuan ni mata mereka ku diturmati na bubu pambimbi
don't worry okay our program this morning will be a short one we'll talk about the sea today and ni wale ni non rado laki babana se kilibat na wekanda wasa demasi armenaka please tell us some of the important things that you will take with you kepakai ko laki nunu wasa and the reason why you use those
right
depending on which place you are going to because if you are coming from that side we know which place is mostly some fish are in okay kepakai ko we go na punon ni ndo na watu ni walu so we are preparing to take such a moto spear that can cater them because this fish is a very big fish na walu ko ni katundua badada some katundua.
What is the scientific name for walu?
8. Na walu na ika na walu they are very big. Na mali ne sedam na walang. Sedam na ni walu walang.
Molo.
So when we are going in the sea, you have to be prepared.
Right.
Depending on which some people they swim. Soran daw lainun werdong galo.
Uy.
Galo takos from one yamotu to another yamotu past the
island to island.
Some island depending on the distance. That can help them using their Google and their
Google glasses.
Nababa.
Right.
Some free dive. Like that. So andrenga with the piriki ramoto
English kira-kira
English yes.
The stretchable and the piriki. The piriki is a kind of motor that kalau tolo live. We can use dororo saroka. It's very easy
Motolo.
while you're using in the sea because as soon as you but one thing the good thing about the gun is that they can carry the rope at the back and the waist. When as sometimes you shoot like this, like big fish or any kind of fish that's very big, you just shoot and you put a poi like a ball,
right.
So that it can carry like a kakumanandoni kale. You shoot a big fish, so you just wait. He take the poi down, so he can withstand that poi until the rest of his life. And adiri may nawada.
Okay.
Right.
Because of the poi. Ni poe always light, so always on top of the sea, and adiri too. So if he took it down, one time he will come, he will be tired, and will be float again.
Knockout.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry. One question, Demisi. So like the bow and arrow, you have so many arrows there. So the arrow is like the prick in the going to the sea.
Yeah.
Kemal, how many prick you will take down with you? 1 or 5?
If a boat is on top like this.
Yeah. Just take
Shoot
one.
up.
Yeah, only one.
Right.
Only one, and about if I got one and I don't have a rope at the back, so I'll use my head.
Yeah.
I want to see one of Italia. Because as soon as I can stand like this on the Yamoto, on the Batilili,
Yeah.
and shoot on the tomba. So I will ride on the tomba and shoot back to the Batilili. So that my piriki can lost.
Oh, yeah.
Right.
Because if you from the Batilili, you shoot like this to the tomba,
The bay.
the bay,
Yeah.
and I no mumoto.
Right.
Because that is botone lolom boy.
Yeah.
So when you shoot back, ito kina nalasi na tao kina mumoto.
Oi, now Numa, I thought that the 5 periki that you take with you to the down the sea, the Wasawasa, me uchikete na Numa pa na 5 na kaikaya o changi wara katungo iba tatake mai.
Matatake may diri talaga may muri.
Sampai talurut bertuya. Alam mo na ka di ba ni? Naglansing mo kita Reza. Lansing mo
Hey,
kita
you never talk about the goggles, man. What's the use of the goggle? Okay, the best type of goggle to use.
The sea is salty.
Yeah.
If you see in the salty, your eyes will pay enamos.
Why? Okay, first of all, why is the sea salty? The Messi.
Ask our creator. Ask me. I'm not the creator. I'm not the bungo.
Hey, you're the digital creator.
Because whenever we go to the sea,
Yeah.
it's it's from the beginning. So the sea it's salty. So when you open your eyes, you look in the sea, it's very salty.
Can damage your eyes.
Can too.
Yes.
So
So
it's
you
not
will need
easy.
to protect your eyes by using goggles.
Yeah, goggle,
Right.
so that you can see properly.
Yeah.
Because you are not looking for the food. The fish too inside, they're looking for their food too. So you have to be careful. They are your enemies too.
Right.
The homo,
So
the
the
shark.
goggle will help you look
Yeah.
like a clear view,
Clear view, yeah.
of what you want to shoot. Eh?
Right.
Yes.
Okay, have you ever at any one time like mulai sasar tu numpang takan na Google?
Move, what?
Muntar tu bentang mo sar tu yung ora. Muntar sar biru tu na tiwa sawasa.
Watching the fish or watching the...
Everybody.
Yeah, don't just to go and
When the time
around.
Iyo.
When the time
Chop chop.
chop.
Iya.
Naman kita kana imburekin.
Iya.
So we are going to the sea for...
Natamani sara.
Yeah, when you was in class 1.
Na adventure nga. Adventure.
One hand on the compound, one hand on the ice.
Protect the compound. Kasi Arturo ko may nawalo ya.
sa vice versa.
Arturo ko nawalo. Hospitalis ya. Lei.
Asenada na yar bina ka belo toka. Bina ka Elvin ke asenada. Ani ba ni tala close your eyes and one.
Yeah.
Tole we go to the sea for the Melibama, boy.
Yeah.
So we went to the sea. We used a Google.
Right.
Goggles.
Goggles.
We used a Google.
Freely.
Yeah.
Sabi Mimbi, Arto sabi Mimbi, me kundong mur me tolo juga. Dalo kala Arto bisa rabitale. Itu ditailiu, londre me muri, kondo ngelo buluti muri, londre me. Dara kala na bersi ko chiki me muri.
Lago kila level lagi ke debate.
Late itu ya.
Nama kau debate?
And we go together.
Kala ko chiki me muri, ko na best viewer to chiki ni.
Saya lebih nak ada chop.
Hey.
Go together in the plastic.
Israeli isa. Ya sana kaba ya. So na weekend na susi me udiway. Kaya dan rera ka nang waswasay bata nakanga sa chunon pa ka sa manangyo. Abi talaga may tuilo pero sinto may rota nuni wendra bala tadi mutu-mutu. Mutu-mutu Era sin kala tabe na la kumai. Ibi kento wendra harus kento na nunukai na malera ka ba ya. Ito la waswas right. Baka tureke isubo.
Kali
Andre
Ile turang.
Yandra era bina katumbuna Yandra Divani
Yandra
Rosiningao
katumbuna,
Manskulinisao Yandra bina katamay Noke Maria Natheva sama toko maingo John Kumar Asenada Nair Toto karabi sa matitoka S. Rakambu
Cook Island.
Yandra bina ka Pelzi Walker Tori katinay may Cook Island
Yandra.
Yandra bina ka Wani Tambua Rua Sopil Molomo Oposian Mbani Dakao Robin Lee Ni Yandra bina ka
Remich.
Pinapalay mo, kaya na magtala men na simoniti. Intanang kami soto tali na
Wala naman na kadamsel mo na libi.
Right.
Bata ka na rin yan na kor. All the best.
Intanang kami soto tali siya ito si Tendurni Buli.
Right.
Right
Share heart bata ka na ay. Go kuru mundo.